now timing. I'll just apply some gloss while taking in all those attacks, as we do. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, please subscribe and make my little subscriber community a little safe space. But if you like psychology and makeup, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be doing my makeup inspired by my MBTI personality, which is, as you can see from the title, it's infj. That is the advocate, and it's also one of the rarest personality types. So I'll just introduce you to the personality type and then we can start the makeup. So, an advocate, that is an INFJ, is someone who is introverted, intuitive, feeling and judging personality traits. That's the INFJ. So, introverted, intuitive, feeling, judging. So, INFJ. Okay. They tend to approach life with deep thoughtfulness and imagination. Their inner vision, personal values and a quite principled version of humanism guides them in all things. Although they are the rarest personality types, advocate leave their mark on the world. They have a deep sense of idealism and integrity, but they aren't idle dreamers. They take concrete steps to realize their goals and make a lasting impact if they're in the truth. So yeah, without any further ado, let's deep dive into the colors. So I thought I'll Google my personality type, and the colors that showed up according to the spruce.com, INFJ is yellow, pink, sky blue and nature green. So yeah, the reason for these colors are you prefer to be a little unconventional and you love to share your unique perspective of the world. You don't see yourself as someone who throws together things chaotically just to stand out. Though you think things through and you put so much effort into the spaces you create for yourself, while shades such as sky blue, pink and nature green might not seem controversial, they illuminate a daydream vibe that makes you feel right at home. You aren't afraid to add a hue such as yellow to stir things up a little. You want aspects of your personality to shine through, and what better way than to add a color that most stay away from due to its luminescent quality. I can't talk. Anyways, okay, so I'm going to do a makeup look inspired by this. We're going to use yellow inside, then we're going to do green, then we're going to do blue, and then we're going to do pink. Then put blush and just it'll be fun. So we're going to do the eyes. So I'm using the yellow to form the liner, the first curvy part. So it'll be like, first I'll use yellow, then green, then blue, then pink. You know what, let's just go for it. Much better, right? I think if I'm winning this, I think this is cool. It's acceptable. It's acceptable. The thing is, you just go for it and then you see like the corrections. Okay, I'm like decently happy with that. It's not perfectly symmetrical, but it'll do. Okay, now is the fun part. Let's do green now. Green. So I'll do this eye on camera and then I will do the other one off camera. And then we'll dive into the other aspects of INFJ, the real tea. Like that. And after that I'm taking some blue and white to make like a light blue. Now we'll take a slight fluffy brush and take a baby pink and just because why the hell not? Why the hell not? Their frame be quirky. I dig that. Looks way better in person, I feel. Most of these makeup looks look better in person. Then I'm going to take a fluffy dense brush and just pack on the yellow shadow. In the inner tear duct. That's a cool eye look, to be honest. Pretty cool. Okay, now I'm going to do like some mascara and I'm going to be right back. Okay, so let's talk about INFJ's strengths and weaknesses. For starters, in strengths, of course, it's creative, advocate personalities, enjoy finding the perfect solution for the people they care about. To do this, they draw on their vivid imagination and their strong sense of compassion. This can make them excellent counselors and advisors. Love that. Do I see myself as an advice friend? For some of my friends, yes, I am their advice friend, but that's no logical explanation. Kind of makes sense. But who doesn't give their friends advice at the same time, you know? There are some, I'm not saying there aren't any, but just like, you know what I mean. They are insightful. Okay, let me do my nose contour. I might watch this if I don't. So they are insightful. Advocates typically strive to move past appearances and get to the heart of things. This can give them the most uncanny ability to understand people's true motivations, feelings, and needs. Yeah, I feel like I'm a pretty intuitive person. Good judge of character, hence the J stands for judging. For most, like 90% of the time, I can be like accurate about a person. Like, not immediately right off the bat. Give me like a day or two. Unless one day I'm completely spending with them, then I can be a good judge of character. Let's get on to principles. People with the advocate personality type tend to have deep held beliefs, and their conviction often shines through when they speak or write about subjects that matter to them. True. Taking the blush and like blending it with this pink, that's like so cool. I love like such editorial looks, you know. Then on my nose, my nostrils. Next is passionate. If you're passionate about a business, then you know what it takes to run a business, but you don't. So don't even act like you know what I'm talking about.
Maybe if you had a business that you were passionate about, then you would know what it takes to run a business, but you don't. So don't even act like you know what I'm talking about.
Advocates can pursue their ideas with a single-mindedness that may catch others off guard. The last strength is altruistic. Advocates generally aim to use their strengths for the greater good. They rarely enjoy succeeding at other people's expense. True. I'm a very play by the rules kind of person most of the time. They tend to think about how their actions affect others, and their goal is to behave in a way that will help people around them and make the world a better place. Aww, thanks. I appreciate it. Pixie dust. There should be a highlight. Is there a highlighter called pixie dust? Because I will buy that. I will buy that. Okay, we're gonna go on to the weaknesses in like a second. Let me just do my nose highlight. Look at that, so cute. So cute. I'll do my lips. Let me focus on the criticism because some things I can't take, okay? Some things I can't take. So, just quickly do my lips. My favorite part, peacefully. Some Bradstone lips action for today. Let's talk about the criticism. This one's gonna sting. Watch me disagree to this. Because I agree to all the creative bits, now let me disagree. Okay, number one itself is an attack. Sensitive to criticism. When someone challenges their principles or values, advocates may react strongly. People with this personality type can become defensive in the face of criticism and conflict, particularly when it comes to issues that are near to their heart. Reluctant to open up. Advocates value honesty, but they are also private. They may find it difficult to open up and be vulnerable about their struggles. Perfectionistic. The advocate personality type is all but defined by idealism. While this is a wonderful quality in many ways, an ideal situation is not always possible. Okay. In your world, avoiding the ordinary, advocate personalities tend to be motivated by a sense of having a greater purpose in life, prone to burnout. Ugh. Advocates' perfectionism may leave them with few options for letting off steam. People with this personality type can exhaust themselves if they don't find a way to balance their drive to help others with necessary self-care and rest. I'll just apply some gloss by taking in all those attacks, you know, as we do. Yummy! I love gloss so much. It's the first thing I'm gonna wear as soon as we don't have to wear masks, because I'm not going to glass outside at all. I'm just going to do my hair, try to do my hair, and I'll give you the final infj inspired makeup look reveal. This is the final look inspired by my personality. I know my hair is not cooperating today, but I'm sorry about that. Besides that, I think this makeup looks turned out super cute. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want more psychology and makeup kind of videos, like the fusion of both, let me know and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and leave a nice comment maybe. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.